Hi guys, it's Shannon here from houseimprovements.com, and in today's video, because I had a garage door opener stolen and had to clear all my opening devices, I'm just going to show you how to reprogram your garage door opener to, in this case, the keypad on the outside of the garage. So most of these keypads are all very similar to being the same. As well as the garage door openers. This, in my case, is a Craftsman door opener. Half horsepower, that really doesn't matter, but Craftsman opener. You can see it there. But most of these modern ones are all pretty close to the same. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to find on the back of the opener, you've got a learn button. They come in all kinds of different colors and that sort of thing. But basically you want to push that button, then you have around 20 seconds or something to program the opener. If it's just a simple one of those transmitters, you know, you hang on your sun visor or whatever, you can just have it right here, and all you want to do is press and hold your transmitter button in one hand, and then you want to press your receiver code button over here, and when the lights on your opener flash, you have lights up somewhere on your opener, then you can just release the button and it should be programmed and then tested, obviously. For this, we're going to push this button. I've got a few seconds to go back down the ladder, go over to the push pad and program the 4-digit code, or however many digits yours is, and get it all working. So let's give it a try and see what we can get here without me falling off the ladder in a rush. Okay, so I pushed that red button. A little light came on up there just to tell me that it was good. And I'm going to push, let's just do 0. And then I'm going to hold enter. And you probably didn't see or hear that, but my light on the opener flashed and clicked, which means it should work. So I'm going to just try that, and it does work now. For anybody who's a thief, I'm going to obviously change that number. Nobody's going to use 0000, but that's just how simple it is. So that'll work for almost any opener that has this type of setup. So let's push that again. It's all working. That should be good. And like I said, you can change all your transmitters by simply doing that. Okay, so I'll just wait till this noise is done. There we go. So hopefully this was helpful for you in reprogramming your garage door opener keypads. And if you liked the video, please click the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, check out our Facebook, Patreon, and any of our other products that we have. But most of all, just thanks for watching, and share this with all your friends.